Morning guys! It's our last day here in Siargao. Yeah, today is Saturday guys, and yung flight namin mamaya it's 12:50 ng hapon, and right now it's already 6:50 ng umaga. Yung gagawin namin, pupunta kami ng store ni Andy Eigenman, which is the Happy Islanders. Try namin mag-breakfast dun guys, and dito, after that pupunta kami ng Cloud9 para mag-picture kasi hindi pa kami nagpa-picture doon. After kasi ng surfing namin last time, we don't have time kasi dumiretso na kami sa next itinerary namin, but today we decided to go to Cloud9 to have some pictures, but hindi namin alam guys if magsusurf pa kami o hindi na kasi sobrang pagod na namin. But yeah, let's see kung anong ganap doon. Let's see. Let's see guys. Hi guys, we are here in Cloud9. Sobrang low tide guys. So picture lang kami dito, and after we will have breakfast. This wala masyadong tao ngayon guys. Wala masyadong tao, walang masyadong nagsusurf.
Isa may mag-video ni Alin. Naghayon na lang.
Ang wala si Mikay mo naligo. Si Mikay mo naligo.
Got 1,000 things to do, and your phone keeps buzzing through. Just unplug and be free. In this life there's so much rush, all the pressure feels too much. Just unplug and be free. Don't you stress now, just be free. Ooh. Let the good times roll, don't you worry. Let it go, just let the good times roll. Them scrolling on the screen makes your own life feel less keen. Just unplug and be free. The landlord says the Wi-Fi's down, biggest crisis in the town. Just unplug and be free. Look at me, I'm free. Ooh, let the good times roll, don't you worry. Let it go, just let the good times roll. Cause when you're chasing all the lights, you start to frown, and that feeling brings the whole vibe down. So just put that little phone away and live for real today.
Alin mo pa? Maglakang ka. Rex.
Let the good times roll, don't you worry. Let it go, just let the good times roll.
Hi guys, we're going to Happy Islander. Ito yung restaurant ni Andy Eigenman guys. So we'll check if nandito siya. And we'll have some breakfast. We'll eat here. Hey, coffee time.
Eh.
Background.
Oo, lang. Oh, kuno hindi mo magkaila ba?
Ay, mo diya.
Ana lang.
Okay guys.
Good morning. Philippine Airlines announces the opening of all its check-in counters for flight year 2356 bound for Macau.
Going home! Bye, Siargao! Ikaw naman.
I'm trying to live